Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to learn music by ear piano full guide. Begin by listening closely to short melodic phrases and humming them back. Focus on matching pitch and contour, then find the same notes on the piano. Practice small sections repeatedly until you can play them smoothly and confidently, keeping sessions short and focused to build ear memory and muscle memory together. Start training intervals by comparing two notes and naming their distance, like major third or perfect fifth. Use familiar songs as references to remember each interval quickly. Practice both ascending and descending shapes, and then locate them on the piano to build a mental map. Regular short drills will improve recognition, making it easier to transcribe melodies by ear and improvise over chord changes. Listen for the harmonic backbone by isolating bass notes and recognizing chord qualities like major, minor, and dominant. Play basic triads and their inversions to connect sound with shape. Practice common progressions, such as I Roman 4V and Roman 6 Roman 4 IV in different keys to internalize patterns. Transcribe simple songs by first finding the bass, then the chords, and finally fitting the melody on top for a complete ear-based.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.